is it? Is it a present? Open it up.
You might have to
say?
start it for him, Daddy.
To Colin, Happy Easter from Aaron. Here.
Oh, Daddy's in the way. I'll come around.
Wait, here, Colin. Oh, you want to do this one first? Okay, wait. Here, look.
A present?
Present. Here, come on. Here.
Help Daddy open
Help
it,
Daddy.
Colin.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my goodness.
What is it, Colin?
Oh boy. It's from Aaron.
What did Aaron give for you? Legos.
Oh, wow.
Present.
Cool.
Colin, look at Mommy and say, thank you, Aaron. Colin, can you say thank you, Aaron? Colin, say thank you, Aaron.
Whoa.
Woohoo! Thank you, Aaron. Say it. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Aaron.
Oh boy, that is going to be so much fun.
What's this? There's another one. Ooh,
What
good.
is in there, Colin?
What's in there?
Keep pulling, buddy. Keep going. Good job. It's hard work, huh, buddy?
What do you got, bud? You got it okay?
He's trying.
Here, right here, bud. Pull this. Come on. Pull this. Ooh, right here. Pull this. Oh, grab that piece.
Oh, wow.
What do you got?
It's a giant Lego cutting green.
There you go.
Oh, boy, Colin. We can do super
That
building on that.
It's a big playland.
Oh, boy.
Look at that.
Yay!
Cool.
Open it.
this.
Colin, are you happy?
Say thank you, Aaron.